Welcome to this video session of free online quantity surveyor course. In this video, I will let you know about some free courses which you can learn, and after enrolling you can learn free of cost. But there is some restriction. You cannot earn a certificate of this course as this certification required paid. As this certification require fee, so I will let you know you can just learn by enrolling in this free online quantity surveyor course. So I have a Google Chrome and I am going to show you practically. Surveyor Learn civil engineering with online courses, classes and lessons. So you can see here. Okay, give me a little bit time. I will let you know the right course for civil quantity surveyor. You can see here on EDX there is multiple courses, free online courses related to civil engineering, but here not the accurate course which actually we require for. Okay, so this course is not according to our requirement, so I'm going back in my browser. Okay, Udemy is very famous and my favorite application on which I have also enrolled in many courses and learn a lot. Okay, you can see here. Free courses, online video content is available for our learning, but certification of completion, instruction, question and answer, instructor, direct messages are not available. But if you can enroll in paid course, you can also get the access online video content, certificate of completion, instructor, question and answer, instructor, direct messages. Okay, so you can note down this in your notebook, the fast quantity surveying for concrete structure part 1. And now I am going to click here. You can check all these training courses one by one and learn from different instructor, and also do not be disappointed if instructor do not give us the access to video content and okay. There is bundle of courses available for quantity surveyors, surveying and mapping in civil engineering. Introduction to surveying, land surveying equipment, land surveying, measurement of distance, angle and coordinate, measurement of distance and angle, measurement of coordinate, measurement of height and area, height measurement, area measurement, area measurement, volume measurement, control line. So online video content available, certification of completion not available, instructor question and answer not available, instructor direct message not. So viewers, if you like this video session related to online free quantity surveyor course for civil engineer, please just like, also subscribe my channel. Also you can visit playlist of my channel. Planning engineer course is also available here. Thanks for watching SMB Institute.